United States Air Force F-16 fighter jet, which has long served as the backbone of America's aerial power, once again demonstrated its prowess in a precision strike against enemy targets. With remarkable speed and accuracy, the F-16 executed an air assault that precisely hit enemy strongholds. Equipped with advanced weaponry and continuously upgraded navigation systems, the aircraft allows its pilots to operate effectively in high-intensity combat scenarios, offering a significant tactical advantage in missions like this. A U.S. Air Force F-16 Fighting Falcon stands proudly on the tarmac of a bustling military air base, its sleek and aerodynamic frame a testament to cutting-edge aviation engineering. The aircraft's metallic surface reflects the morning sun, casting sharp glints of light along its streamlined body. The American flag and serial number are clearly visible on its tail, signifying its powerful identity as part of one of the world's most feared air forces. On the wings and fuselage, missiles and external fuel tanks are mounted, showcasing its full readiness for diverse mission types, ranging from reconnaissance and ground attacks to high-speed aerial combat. Its powerful jet engine sits silently at the rear, radiating waves of heat into the air, signaling the immense thrust lying in wait, ready to be unleashed at a moment's notice. Surrounding the aircraft is a scene of organized urgency, as ground crew members work quickly and methodically to prepare the jet for action. Dressed in dark green uniforms with protective ear gear, technicians inspect the landing gear, check tire pressure, and examine fuel lines for any signs of leakage. On the other side, armament specialists carefully inspect missile launchers and onboard weaponry beneath the aircraft's wings. Fuel trucks and power units hum nearby, while a senior crew chief monitors the process using a digital clipboard. These procedures are part of a strict readiness protocol, ensuring each fighter jet is in peak condition, capable of launching within minutes if orders are received. The discipline and coordination of the crew reflect the high standards of the U.S. Air Force in maintaining its cutting-edge war machines. The F-16 itself is a multi-role combat aircraft that has proven its effectiveness across numerous battlefields since it was first introduced in the 1970s. Renowned for its agility, advanced radar systems, and modern avionics, the F-16 continues to serve as a backbone of the Air Force's tactical fleet. The cockpit, tight but filled with advanced technology, is equipped with a heads-up display, HUD, fly-by-wire controls, and multifunction screens that provide real-time data to the pilot during missions. The pilot, often a highly trained service member with hundreds of flight hours, sits in a reclined ejection seat while wearing a G-suit and specialized helmet to withstand intense gravitational forces during aerial maneuvers. Every mission executed by an F-16 is part of a larger command structure, utilizing satellite guidance, tactical communications, and long-range radar to ensure maximum strategic effectiveness. The presence of an F-16 at a military base is more than a display of firepower. It sends a strong strategic message to allies and adversaries alike. It symbolizes air dominance, rapid response capability, and the technological superiority of the United States in modern warfare. Every second the aircraft spends on the ground is devoted to preparation, maintenance, and training, for it may be called into action without warning. The atmosphere around the fighter jet is filled with a blend of tension, focus, and national pride. For the personnel stationed at the base, the F-16 is not just a machine of war, it represents honor, responsibility, and a mission to protect and defend with excellence. The roar of the engine echoed across the airbase as the U.S. Air Force F-16 fighter jet accelerated rapidly down the runway. In a matter of seconds, the sleek and deadly aircraft lifted off into the sky, leaving behind a trail of thin smoke from its glowing afterburner. Its sharp wings sliced through the air with high aerodynamic precision, showcasing the advanced technology and formidable power of this iconic multi-role fighter. Every movement of the F-16 reflected combat readiness and lightning-fast response, symbolizing the air superiority that defines U.S. military strength. Once airborne, the F-16 quickly executed a steep climb, soaring into the blue sky at supersonic speed. Inside the cockpit, the pilot wore a state-of-the-art helmet linked to weapon and navigation systems, maintaining full control over every aspect of the mission. From high above, the aircraft was capable of surveillance, target acquisition, and precision strikes in mere moments. The F-16's takeoff wasn't just a routine maneuver, it was a display of military might and readiness that sends a clear message to adversaries and reinforces America's strategic dominance across the skies.